Hello everyone, it's me Sam from the UK. Welcome to my channel and thank you for my lovely subscribers and viewers. I hope my previous video helped you about visa process or any other settlement of the UK. Those people who are already inside of the UK and those people who are outside of the UK and interested to come to the UK for settlement, for work, for business and for student visa, for any other categories. So I always inform you any latest information come out from the Home Office of the UK. So today have a very good news for those people who are illegal or overstay inside of the UK. So please watch the video till the end for your complete understanding. Or anyone new on my channel, they need to subscribe so they can have a latest information update about immigration of the UK. So what good news is today for undocumented people, those people who are overstay or those people who are illegal inside of the UK for any circumstances. So the UK government, Prime Minister of the UK, few weeks ago, he's give the press conference about amnesty. He say he prefer to give to those people status who are already inside of the UK, but they are illegal or overstay. If they did not attempt any crime, so the UK government want to give to them amnesty, want to give to them visa, want to give them put them in a system so they can contribute with the economy, they can pay the tax of the UK government. So this is going to be helpful after the Brexit. That's why the Prime Minister of the UK decided to give to them amnesty. So what happened is, because if Prime Minister decided, if he give the conference, then after Prime Minister, he can't give straight away any status or any documentation or any process. He need approval from the Parliament of the UK. If any new implement UK government want to announce or implement, they need approval from Parliament of the UK. Like what they need to do, they put the petition. Like some people, they put the petition of the Parliament of the UK. So if petition crossed 100,000 people signed, the petition need to be signed. If 100,000 people sign it, then the Parliament of the UK, they have to give the decision about amnesty. They have to give approval to the UK government to give it to the status, give it to them visa for those people who are illegal or overstay inside of the UK. So now the petition been nearly crossed 100,000 people. Nearly crossed 80,000 people, sorry, not 100, but they need to cross the 100,000 people. If the 100,000 people cross the petition, then will be implement from the Parliament of the UK. So last date of the petition have a 21st of July. Means any petition of the UK government, if you submit for the petition, they have a 6-month duration. Means 6-month duration, either have to cross 100,000 people, signatures signed, then the Parliament of the UK will give to them like authority to the UK government to give the status to those people or give the visa to those people for amnesty. So I already made before video as well before why the UK government want to give the amnesty for those people who are illegal or overstay inside of the UK, because after the Brexit, now Brexit even have a time, the 21st of June, the Brexit people, if they submit the documentation, is okay. If anyone left to submit the documentation for EU settlement inside of the UK, they will be deported. After the 21st of June, they will never accept Home Office any documentation about EU people. Means they want to clear before the July to those people whoever like inside of the UK from EU nationality holders. Because of the Brexit, they did not go back to the EU countries and they did not submit the settlement documentation of the UK. So, and someone asked me, he say about the Hong Kong people, 5.5 million people is coming in UK. So how the UK government will give the amnesty to the illegal people? Brother, because if either Hong Kong people come or no, because they trying to deport, they trying to come to the UK, but still the Prime Minister of the UK, he stopped to those implement about the Hong Kong people. So now means the Parliament, the UK government waiting for Parliament decision about this amnesty. The UK government know about the signs nearly cross 100,000 people. Means nearly there will be 1 month more. They will cross the 100K. Then they will be implement for this petition. So the UK government just waiting for Parliament approval about the amnesty, and now over 80,000 people signed this petition. So please, those people who ever illegal or overstay, they need to sign this petition, or they need to tell his families or friends to sign this petition to cross the 20 more thousand. Like now 80,000, they need to just more 20,000 people sign this petition. Then after will be approved from the Parliament of the UK. So as you can see in my screen, the petition and the link as well. The down, you can sign it, click in the link, and you can sign this petition. Please, anyone know anyone in the UK illegal or overstay, forward my video to those people, share to my video to those people to sign as soon as possible for the petition, this for the amnesty. If they sign before the July 21st, will be approved from the Parliament of the UK. Because last time happened about the TOEIC English test, petition duration have the 6 month. Last time they did not reach the 100K people, the petition been rejected and been refused from the Parliament of the UK. So this amnesty petition is very good response, because 1.5 million people overstay or illegal inside of the UK. Means now just 80,000 people signed this petition. Means those people, some illegal or overstay people, they don't know about this petition going on the Parliament. They don't know about the rules of regulation. That's why if you forward my video or share my video to those people, maybe this video will be reached to those people overstay or illegal, so they can sign it. They can sign it as soon as possible for this petition and will be approved from the Parliament of the UK. Hopefully 99% chances will be reached 100K people. House petition signing every day going on rising. So will very good opportunities for those people who are illegal or overstay inside of the UK, because being lot of time, long time, overstay or illegal people never get any amnesty from the UK government. This government have a green light. This government have a green signal for those people who are overstay or illegal people, but they need to sign this petition. You need to sign this petition must, or you need to tell your friends. If you know anyone, friends, family, send it to them this link. Tell them please sign this petition about illegal or overstay people of the UK. If this petition before 21st of July cross the 100,000 people signed, then definitely will get the visa from the Home Office of the UK, because the Parliament of the UK will give the approval to this Home Office of the UK, because already crossed the 100K people. This is the rules of regulation of the Parliament of the UK. Any latest, any new implement, any new law government want to introduce, they need approval from the Parliament of the UK. So please forward my video to those people who are overstay or illegal inside of the UK, so they can sign this petition. So then the Parliament of the UK will give decision quick as soon as possible. Then after the UK government will be implement and will give to the status or visa to those people who are overstay or illegal inside of the UK. Please see the below in my video, the link, the petition link. You need to type in, you need to click in these and sign this petition. This is very good opportunities. You just 2 months left for reach the 100,000 people. I hopefully 99% inshallah will be this petition will be signed. So please sign this petition and forward to your friends and family. I will be back soon again with a new video, and thank you for watching my video, and take care. Best of luck. Bye bye.